also. Kayakalp oil is for external use and Mahamanjishthadhyarisht is to be taken orally. These are the results of Ayurvedic experiments for psoriasis. Now some medicines for scleroderma. For scleroderma, there are little changes in these above herbal medicines. In the same herbal preparations, there are a few minor changes according to the nature of your constitution. Kayakalp Kwat. One has to drink as such. As far as the oral herbal medicines are concerned, there would be minor changes, for example, the use of Ekangvir Ras, etc. It can be taken 5 grams or more as per the condition of the body. For this, you may meet the Ayurvedic physicians of our ashram. Although there are very few people who suffer from the problem of scleroderma, but we are telling you the result of our experiments. So during the course of our experiments and what we have seen and what we have experienced, we have shared with you. But after all, what will I get in return by sharing with you the cure of psoriasis? You will be benefited. You were living in an illusion, and all that I have done is that I have tried only to break that illusion. From today itself, leave behind all your pessimism. Practice pranayam with a high spirit, with full energy, and with full awareness. Now practice Bhastrika pranayam, sit upright. In Siddhasana, Sukhasana or Padmasana, sit upright. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. You may start this pranayam from 2 minutes and then increase it to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You will get more oxygen. The more deeply you breathe in till your diaphragm, more oxygen your lungs will receive. From lungs it will go to your blood, and from blood to the whole body. Similarly, more carbon dioxide will be exhaled. Not only carbon dioxide, many more negative elements and negative energies which may create psoriasis, they will be removed out. Completely. When you take deep breath, there is flow of universal consciousness, universal energy, and universal divine power towards you. You become receptor of all the auspicious and positive powers of the universe. And when you breathe out, all negative energies go out. Take a deep breath in. Then breathe out. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Do not do it like this. It should have energy. Breathe in deeply and then breathe out. Practice for 5 minutes. Also take full precautions. Improve your daily routine. Drink cow's urine every day in the morning with neem leaves mixed in it. And also drink the juice of wheat grass. Juice of wheat grass and giloy. These two are extremely beneficial for psoriasis. These are used in all incurable diseases, and in psoriasis especially, it is being proved extremely effective. You should also take wheatgrass with it. Practice Bhastrika pranayam for 5 minutes with the feeling that your 5 elements are being nourished along with your whole body, mind, prana and soul. For 5 minutes, breathe in deeply till your diaphragm. Breathe in like this deeply and exhale out. After this, practice Kapalbhati. These are the main pranayams. With this, many ailments, all the problems of skin, prostate gland, uterus, problems of kidney, problems of ovary, closed tubes, diabetes, high level of cholesterol, arthritis, bronchitis, all the ailments of Vat, Pitta and Kapha, problem of thyroid also may show improvement with Kapalbhati. You have to breathe out. While breathing out, unwanted will also move out. You must imagine that all your ailments are moving out. Psoriasis is improving. Scleroderma is improving. Leukoderma is improving. All negative elements are moving out. All negative energies are moving out. You are in a state of consciousness from the Mooladhara chakra. An energy, a light, a divine power, a glow, and a light is emerging. You'll see, in a few days, not only your face will start glowing, your forehead will start glowing, and all the skin diseases will be gone. Injuries that you get by hurting yourself will start disappearing. Injuries of diabetics which are difficult to heal may start healing. In case your injuries are not being healed by any treatment, practice pranayam. Marks of burn injuries on the body parts have also reduced in many cases. And there is no medicine for this. Till date, we have not found any medicine for this in Ayurveda. But with the practice of pranayam, those who had burn marks, their marks also started fading away, especially with the practice of Kapalabhati. It's really wonderful. It gives amazing results. Just practice Kapalabhati pranayam. You regain your youth, your level of consciousness increases. You yourself have all the solutions. Then why run outside? Tell me. Practice Kapalabhati pranayam every day. You may never fall ill in your life. You will never suffer from any diseases. There is only one solution to all diseases: Kapalabhati pranayam and Anulom Vilom pranayam. It's like free life insurance, free health insurance. You just have to breathe out. It's a simple process. Breathe out in a rhythmic manner. Later on, you can practice it at a stretch for 5 minutes and even 15 minutes without any break. In case of severe psoriasis, you may practice it for half an hour. In case of severe psoriasis, severe arthritis and severe bronchitis, in case of any severe ailment, increase the duration of practice from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Increase slowly. A normal person should practice for 5 to 15 minutes, which is effective for common ailments. 15 to 30 minutes of practice is recommended for highly severe and incurable diseases. All your problems will subside. You have to exhale your breath. Practice as per your energy, your stamina. Do not overstrain yourself. You just have to exhale your breath. This is one practice by which all your energy levels will enhance. Obesity, diabetes, all other problems, all skin diseases, psoriasis, scleroderma, eczema may be controlled 100%, however severe the condition may be. It may take same number of months to get controlled effectively as the number of years one had been suffering from it. For example, if one had psoriasis for 10 years, it will take 10 months to get controlled. 10 months or may even take 1 year. You will be cured for sure. It is not possible. It's really impossible that one practices pranayam but psoriasis doesn't get cured. After this, practice Bahya Pranayam. Exhale and keep the breath out. So practice Bahya Pranayam like this. Practice it for 3 times, 5 times at least. After exhaling, stop for a while. Touch your chin to the throat pit, Jalandhar Bandh, your stomach to the back, Udyan Bandh. Contract the lower portion of the abdomen inside, Mool Bandh. This is practice with Tribandh. Patients of psoriasis suffering from heart diseases or high blood pressure should abstain from it. Those suffering from cervical pain should avoid Jalandhar Bandh. They may practice it sitting upright with 2 bandh only. In case of such problems, one may practice Agnisar Kriya. This was Agnisar. And after this, you may practice Anulom Vilom. There are only 2 pranayam that are effective in skin diseases, although in all types of problems, these 2 are the most effective. But others like Brahmari and Udgit reduce the level of stress. They improve your endocrine system. They improve it. Nevertheless, you have to practice those 7 asanas and exercises, but these 2 specially. Anulom Vilom is the most important among them. Initially, you practice for 5 minutes, gradually increase the duration to 15 minutes, and in case of severe psoriasis, one may practice even for 30 minutes. Duration we have already told you. Now let us practice. Close your right nostril and inhale deeply from the left. Then close the left nostril and exhale out from the right. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Practice with ease, with a feeling of happiness. Contentness. Practice with happiness. With eyes closed and mind calm, inhale deeply till your diaphragm. Practice Anulom Vilom in such rhythmic manner. Meditate on Om with each of your breath. Be thankful to the Almighty. You have to practice Anulom Vilom for 15 minutes. Practice with ease. Inhale deeply, also exhale fully. Neither forcefully nor without force. With medium pace and force. It will improve your endocrine system. Your body will receive more oxygenated blood, vital energy level. The positive energy level of our body will increase. Improved endocrine system will release balanced hormones. Mind will reach a state of calmness. Your worries and stress will dissolve, and so fears and fury. You will gain control over your speech. You will gain control over your diet. There are amazing benefits of Anulom Vilom. Heart problems will also improve. Also the nervous system, migraine, depression, Parkinson, paralysis, all these diseases may subside by the practice of this pranayam. You must practice it for 15 minutes. Take deep breath into your lungs. Your breath should be deep. Just take care of this. Never ever fill into your stomach. Always remember this. Breathe into your lungs for all pranayams, whether it's Bhastrika or Anulom Vilom. And in Kapalabhati you have to exhale out. In rest of them, you have to breathe in. After Anulom Vilom, we'll practice Brahmari. Keep your forefinger on the forehead and rest 3 on your eyes. Close your ears with thumbs. This can be practiced for 3 to 5 or even 11 times, depending on how much of time you can spend. But you must practice at least thrice daily or 3 to 5 times. Forefinger on the forehead, rest 3 on the eyes. Mouth will remain closed. Generate the sound of Omkar from your nostrils. Ears will remain closed with thumbs. To check the outside noise, sound of Omkar will be generated from inside. You will feel one with the infinite, divine, universal energy source. Keep hands on your knees in Dhyan Mudra. You must inhale deeply. Then imagine with deep emotions, Supreme Lord Almighty, Universal Divine Power, O Supreme Lord, Infinite and Indestructible, is showering His blessings on me. Now take deep breath in. For the next Udgit Pranayam, generate the sound of O in the first 15 seconds, then Ma in the next 5 seconds. Chant Om while breathing into your lungs. Oh.